welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be working on the subframe. Couple of little strengthening plates that I want to put in just here, where it bolts onto the body. So just cut a couple of triangle pieces and weld them in place, and I'm actually going to do it for this brace here, so just down there like that. And just want to dress the welds up and get it ready to get powder coated. Another quick look at the bulkhead, and it's turned out amazing in my opinion. I'm really happy with it. So it wasn't too hard to do, and I've got quite a nice finish, so I'm looking forward to getting the subframe completed, and then I can get to work on the engine, clean all of this up, replace the sump, and I'll need to do the cam belt and water pump. Doesn't need it done, but just for peace of mind while it's out the car, it's easy to do. So I'm going to crack on and start grinding away on the subframe. Been a few days since I've been in the garage, and the day I'm going to get the subframe painted, decided against powder coating, as it's probably going to get modified to fit like the radiator and stuff. So I thought it's a bit of a waste of money getting it powder coated, and then I'm going to need to grind bits and weld on bits maybe. So I'm happy with the finish that I got on the bulkhead, so I'm going to use the same process to paint the subframe, and I'm hoping that I get the subframe completely painted today, and then I can start assembling it tomorrow. So I've got the subframe sanded, prepped and suspended in the air, so I'm just going to mix my paint up and manage to get some little triangle pieces welded in there and up there as well. I'll get a better view of that. So that's in there and there, just to give it a bit of extra strength. Tidied it all up, and it's looking pretty good. I think once it's got the black on it, it's going to look really nice. So I'll just put this into a quick time lapse, and hopefully a few hours time it will be painted and drying. So that's the subframe all painted. Not a bad finish. So at least that's done. I'll let that dry overnight, and it's just so cold in the garage now, so I'm going to call it quits for the night and come back out tomorrow. Hopefully that'll give the subframe time to the paint to harden, and I'll get the suspension built back onto it, and hopefully get the Mini a rolling chassis tomorrow. Maybe even see how my leather wheels look on the front of it. So that's going to be it for tonight. I'm just going to drain the compressor, and I'm not even going to bother cleaning this paint gun because it is absolutely knackered. It's just a cheap one that you get when you buy the compressor, so it's done its job, and I'll just bin it, and when I actually go to paint the car I'm going to be buying a half decent spray gun. But yep, thanks for watching, and I'll probably make another video tomorrow just building the subframe back up, and then it'll be time to start work on the engine, cleaning that up, servicing it, and getting ready to fit it back in for the last time, maybe the last time, hopefully. But yep, thanks for watching, and I'll check back in tomorrow.